everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. We are back on it with another mod video. This time it's badge related, front and rear. So we've got some new stuff that's arrived that I've used before, but not a lot of people know of it. So I'm going to show you the product, and this is it. Here we go. And it's called fulldip. Some of you might not have heard of it. Everyone I seem to ask about it doesn't know anything about it. But they're basically the UK version of plastidip. But I've used them before on the Mark 1. I used them on the wing mirrors and the rear wing. And it's awesome stuff. I like the finish on it. It's a lot smoother than the plastidip. It doesn't have that sort of leather texture feel that plastidip has. It's more of a smooth paint, matte finish that I've ordered here. So we're going to be doing the badges in them. But I've also sent them an email asking if they want to sponsor one of the videos so we can get a larger part of the car plastidip. Sorry, full dipped, my mistake there. Because obviously it'd be good to get their name out there, and it's a lot cheaper than plastidip, this stuff. And as far as I'm concerned, it's a better product. And you know, we'd be rubbing each other's back if they can sponsor a video. They get some exposure and we get content for the channel for you to watch. So what are we going to do? Right, well, we're going to do the front badge, which is going to involve some pearl white to spray the background of the actual badge holder, because it's recessed. And then we're going to paint the badges black. I'm going to evel the front badge with a bit of pearl and the black. So that should be all right. But obviously, I'll show you how to get the badges off. We're going to have to clean the badges up because the paint on them is really thick. So I'm not sure how we're going to get that off completely. I might have to use some thinners, or I'll maybe try a little test patch with what's the other stuff? Nail varnish remover. I can't remember what it's called. Acetone. And so you see how we get on. Anyway, let's get along for the journey. Let's go and get out in the hot sun and pry some badges off.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. 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 Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Okay, the badges are already plastidip, so let's get busy with the spraying.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Okay, we've got the main badge all cleaned up, scruffed up, ready for some paint and that. Got all the black shit off. Okay, so we're gonna carry on. We're gonna spray the badge up. We've had to come to a different location because it's absolutely blowing a gale outside, so we can't spray anything in this weather. So I've had to come to my brother's garage. So let's get spraying this.
Can make me. Can make me move.
Okay, so we're going to do the eyelids of the car. We've all mashed her up, ready. I'm going to try it with the carbons on first because I think they're glued on rather than 3M'd. So we'll see how she looks with them on. I'm busy with the badge, that's getting done also. She's all wrapped up front for no overspray, and we'll see how we go. Let's go. Okay, we're on 5 coats so far. Looking sweet. So I'm going to now stick a layer of white pearl on top so we can get the pearl look, which will be a bit more closer to the actual original paintwork of the car. Help it blend in a bit better. Boom. Evil M. Woohoo!
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when
people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding me up. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy